for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, 4-piece floor mat set. Your new ride is just a phone call away.